We're getting Monday drunk. Do you want to hang out with the captain? Well, too bad, because your family's too poor. You gotta hang out with this weird looking dinosaur. Oh, it worked out perfectly. And circle gets the square. Not too long ago, you guys saw us eat CTC churros.
Churro!
Today we're back
Churro!
Churro! Maybe DJ Khaled will do a song about churros, because he looks like he indulges.
Best deodorant in the world. All the other stuff is garbage, man. Use Dove deodorant.
Might indulge in a churro or two.
I mean, what am I talking about? So do I. Just because you've never had
I'm not
one.
saying it like in a negative way. Like, bro, who doesn't love churros? I mean, me, I've never tried them.
You saw that title of the video and that thumbnail correctly. Today we're comparing the iconic Captain Crunch Crunch Berries to the store brand Berry Crackles.
Berry Crackles.
That sounds like a dude that used to mess me up on my block, dude. Oh, you don't want to go down the same alleyway as Berry Crackles, dude. He'll knock you out, bro.
I don't know why they had to make the dragon or Loch Ness monster or whatever the hell they got here look like. He looks like a kid you'd want to beat up in high school.
A doofus.
Looks like a real doofus. Like, you could have picked a cool guy, like a captain of a pirate ship. Shut up!
Hope it all works out. Also, if there's anything more telling than this, you're gonna lie to me. So, Crunch Berries, right? On the back of the box, a whole plethora of activities. You gotta spot the difference, you got the dots game. What does Berry Crackles have? Just another side of Berry Crackles. They don't got time for copywriting and art, bro. You dunce. So this is the store brand for Jewel Osco here in Chicago. It's Signature Select. So we've done Signature Select pizza before on our brew and review episodes, which was pretty good.
Sometimes we like them, sometimes.
What size spoon would you like?
Oh, soup. Thank you. What? You shoveling with this thing, dude?
Dude, today.
You ever dig your car out from an avalanche with this bad boy?
You ever do this?
Gross, dude. Are you rubbing all the blackheads onto your cereal?
I'm trying, whatever, I'm eating it. It doesn't, you know how they used to do this?
Yeah, but you shouldn't be eating your blackheads, bro.
Whatever, man, it's all part of me.
Also, we're drinking Goose Island Company's delicious IPA.
Yeah, so we got Tall Boys today of the IPA.
Oh, it's grapefruit.
The Goose, yeah.
So this is their, it says IPA, but is this like a specialty one?
No, it's just, their IPA just is grapefruit.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so it's the Tall Boy can here. Everybody's all mad when Goose Island sold the Anheuser-Busch, I think it was. I was psyched. Because now they're gonna finally start
Get a little funding.
Yeah, man. Nothing better than the top of that company getting a whole bunch of money.
Yeah, man.
I love the 1%. Am I right? Anybody else a part of the 1%? So these are sweetened naturally and artificially berry flavored sweetened corn and oat cereal. They're both the same. Cheers.
Cheers. Okay. I'm going to dip into my Fresh Boy here.
I'm gonna tell you what. Having never had Berry Crackles, those are not different than the other ones.
Spot on.
They're the same thing.
Berry Crackle all day, bro.
Better?
I don't know if it's better, it's just the same thing as cheaper.
Yeah, dude, it was $1.50 cheaper a box.
Bro, anything I said about your dumb dragon head and how stupid you look with your dumb, dubbed funny neighbor teeth that you got growing out your head.
Mr. Dink.
Mr. Dink teeth you got going on. I take it all back, bro. You was delicious. For $1.34 cheaper.
Dude, that is better. It's like less artificial. I mean, I'm sure it's not.
Right, but it tastes that way. It's all perception.
Dude, I'm not kidding you. The berries are bigger. Look at it, the berries are bigger. And the golden things are bigger.
True.
I don't know if that means anything.
I mean, bigger is better. If I learned anything from the state of Texas.
Also, 150 calories for both, but for this one, you get more for 150 calories.
Like more serving size.
1 1/3 cup as opposed to just 1 cup.
Oh, well, if that's the case, game on.
I don't know how they did it. They're bigger, they're cheaper, and they have less calories when you eat them than that one. That is, you checked every box. Dude.
You know how they did it?
How?
More air. They just got more air holes in these things.
I'm fine being fooled.
You know?
I'm fine with it.
I'm fine with it too. That was good.
You guys ever had Berry Crackles?
Barry, also one of my favorite shows on TV right now.
Yep.
Hey man, are you seeing this beautiful morning? What are you doing? How are you?
Yeah, I think Barry and this Barry Dragon would run in different circles.
Yeah, I think so.
Dude, I just want to say, the last time we did a cereal episode, we named some of our favorite cereals, and I forgot to include Captain Crunch. And I just want everyone to know that that was a shame.
Yeah.
And I apologize to each and every one of you.
Hold on a second.
Bring it in here for a second. I apologize.
So there's a different pirate.
Yeah, that's like his
Arch nemesis, huh?
Yeah, that's the villain.
That's the guy trying to steal all the crunch berries.
Right.
And the admiral is like, bro, not on my watch,
He's
bro.
a captain. He's not an admiral.
That's an admiral outfit.
It's not Admiral Berries. That would also be a knockoff.
Yeah, but that's an admiral ass outfit though. That's not a captain's outfit.
How would you do out at sea?
Nah, do all right. Can handle a wave or two. Grew up on a great lake, so
That's true.
I know how to swim. So what are you gonna do about it, you know?
Wow. What an incredible science experiment that came back in the best way.
Yeah, dude. Anybody who out there right now is going to Jewel Osco and is buying Captain Crunch, I've concluded you're an idiot.
Get Berry Crackles.
You're wasting a dollar and or more every trip.
I will say, a whole wrench has just been thrown into this.
Uh-oh.
These are 18.7 ounces.
Wait.
These are 13 ounces. So you get more. So it probably ends up being about the same price.
Ooh, that's their move, huh?
Also, what does crunchitize me Cap'n mean? Whatever, Berry Crackles, great taste. It's really all that really matters. Well, there you go. So for today, why don't, because it's a comparison episode, on the count of 3, you either say Cap'n or Berry.
How about
Cap'n or Berry.
No, how about this?
Okay.
Because I'm an alliteration guy, I like that stuff. Why not Captain or Crackle? Doesn't that roll off the tongue a little bit better?
Yes.
Captain or Crackle?
Cap'n or Crackle.
Can I get that tattooed on my body?
No.
Like Captain or Crackle?
No, I hope.
And then I have you tattoo.
That's the first one.
This is how we do this. I go get a tattoo that says Captain or Crackle.
Okay.
You then get the tattoo gun and you circle which one you like better on my. I'm imagining my whole back. This is just
This
all
guy did
back.
this for 2,100 views, maybe. All right, on the count of 3, Cap'n or Crackle. 1, 2, 3, Crackle!
That was a no-brainer.
That's insane. I thought this was
flavor.
trash, bro.
Exact flavor, larger pieces, cheaper. We think maybe.
It really, I mean, it
Tough
might have
to say.
It was cheaper.
I have to see the per weight. I always look at the per weight.
Yeah, that's a good point.
But I assume this is cheaper per weight, even, you know.
Goose Island, thanks for making it all fun as well. Your IPA is super delish.
Delicious.
We'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand new video. Until then, sure, I'll have a drink. Me too.
No.
Mr. Bucket.
Ew, bro. Ew, gross. You have to make those noises.
Yes, I did.